Raimi, and today I want to do my makeup. I am inspired by perfect models on Instagram, basically. The ones with the glowy skin and the freckles and the blush, you know, really cute Glossier models, things like that. Except I have acne and acne scars, but you know, I decided that I want to look like that too, so that's what I'm gonna do, despite the, you know, little things that live on my face. I feel like I can achieve that really natural, cute makeup look, so that is what I'm gonna try to do today. Okay, so makeup goals of the day. Very, very glowy, blushy, is that a word? And lots of freckles. I'm using the NARS Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturizer because I want to be glowy, and yeah. This is shade St. Moritz. I'm just using this little buffing brush from Real Techniques. I'm just smoothing this out with the beauty blender. I don't know why I ever use a brush. I mean, like, the brush works, but the beauty blender just really makes it look smooth right away, so I don't have to like smooth out the brush marks. I don't know why I do that. Okay, I've decided that beauty blender is definitely better for tinted moisturizer. Your hands is probably like the best way to go for tinted moisturizer, but I just don't like the feeling. I don't know. Maybe I will grow up soon so I can do that. I'm using this Milk Makeup Flex Concealer in the shade Light under my eyes and right there, and then like around my nose. I'm gonna let that dry for like 2 seconds before I blend it out because I want it to have a little more coverage. The tinted moisturizer doesn't really have too much coverage. You can still see all of my scarring and whatnot, which I don't mind, but I still think it makes my skin look more even. But I do like to have like my under eyes and like the highlighted areas be more full coverage, because I don't know, I think that look is really cute. Okay, so I'm gonna conceal my lids and under my brows with this concealer too. I don't know if it's just me, but every time I like blend things out on my eye with a beauty blender, I go blind. Like right now, I can't see anything. Oh my god, why did the lighting change so much? What happened? Or is that just my eyes? Oh wait, the lighting's back. Okay. I still can't see. It's so scary. For like 1 whole minute, I just can't see anything. Why does that happen? Okay, I'm gonna lightly set the important parts with powder because I want to keep this really like dewy and pretty, but also like I don't want it to like crease or anything, so there's a fine line here. So just doing my eyes a little bit, my under eyes. Okay, that should be good. I set way too much, but we're gonna fix it. It's literally fine. We're gonna fix it. Okay, so I have this Milk Makeup lip and cheek like blush stick, and I'm so scared of it. Like, I'm so scared of it. But you know what? I'm just gonna... Maybe I'll do it on my finger first. Yeah. And then my cheeks. My lighting kept changing drastically and it made me feel like I was gonna cry, so I think I fixed it. Anyways, I'm just gonna like just go for it because it ended up being okay when I patted it out. Like, it was so easy to use, so I kind of want blush just like all right here. So let's see how that goes. I'm so scared. I like the look that blush gives me, but also it just makes my acne like redder. Like, it's already like really red right here, but I mean, like, it's fine. It's still cute, right? The blush definitely adds like a glow, which is really helping my case with like this whole Instagram model Glossier natural girl thing. I'm gonna use this Becca liquid highlight to just put some shine on my skin because the freckles are gonna go on top. So you kind of just want to do like the whole entire base first. usually use a brow pomade for freckles, but today I want to do a lot of freckles and a lot of different like colored ones. So I'm going to be using all of these powder shades. These are from the Brow Gal. They're like a bunch of brow shades. And then this is a bronzer from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Also, I might use Passion from the Norvina palette. Let's scooch you in a little bit. Now I'm just gonna press them in to get rid of like the harshness and to kind of just like stamp them in, just seal them in there. I don't know, it makes sense in my head. This passion color was the best one for the freckles, so that's a good discovery. I just feel like I need a few more. I think the red tone just really makes it look more freckly and natural on the skin. I'm just getting all of the tinted moisturizer and highlight that I smeared all over my lips off. So I think the freckles came out really good, and now I want to do something for the eyes. I think maybe like a smoked out brown liner, just nothing crazy, just super natural looking. This really isn't very natural with all the products that I put on, but like kind of natural, you know? I don't know which color to go for. Probably this one. Scooching on in one more time. I'm kind of like buffing it out because I don't want it to be like perfect or like really there. I don't know how I feel about this. Let's zoom out and see if it's good. Yeah, I'll just keep it like really light, I guess. Makes it darker. Okay, I made it bigger. Let me just go do the other eye before I mess more things up. Okay, I have my little smoky eyeshadow wings, and now I'm going in with roller lash just to make my lashes look nice and long and curly. This stick blush that I use for my cheeks is also a lip product, so I'm just gonna try it. Oh, it's cute. This stuff smells so good. This is in the shade Werk, by the way. I was gonna put gloss on, but this is kind of cute. Just this. Okay, so lastly I'm gonna use this CoverFX Illuminating Setting Spray. I got this in a BoxyCharm like a year ago and I never use it, but it's really good actually. It has like a super, see, you can't even see it. It has like the finest mist and like this little shimmer in it. It's so pretty. I just sprayed it on my arm. It sounds like a spray paint bottle. I did it very lightly because I didn't want to be like too glittery. So that is how I achieved this look. I literally went into it without practicing. I just had images in my brain and this is what I came up with, and it's pretty dang close to what I wanted to do. I'm not sure what I'm gonna call this look, but I was really inspired by like those freckly, dewy, glowy models that I've been seeing on Instagram. I just really like that effortless, like freckly look. I think it's so cute. I just feel like fall is so effortless and kind of lazy and really like cozy, so I just wanted to do something like natural and easy. I don't know. But yeah, so happy that I finally am back into makeup tutorials and whatnot. Thanks for stopping by and watching me on my channel today. I love you so much. Yeah, if you want to follow me on Instagram, I post a lot of shenanigans there, and also on Twitter. And yeah, I'll see you guys the next time I happen to pop up on your feed, or if you subscribed, which is a really good idea because it's free. You know, whatever you want to do. Bye!